Today we're going to be making 1 pound of deep fried prawns. So as you can see here, we have the prawns that we'll let it thaw for about 15 to 20 minutes, and this is the end result after removing the skin. You want to leave the tail and remove the skin. So I'll show you the mixture we're going to make and be frying up, and yeah, let's go to the next shot. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to make the paste. So here we're adding 7 tablespoons of white flour, followed by half a teaspoon of garlic paste, and followed by 1 tablespoon of red and green chili blended with water, in case you're wondering what that is. So 1 tablespoon of red green chili blended with water, half a teaspoon of salt, and the last thing is 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And what you'll want to do is keep adding water until you have a thick, consistent paste. So we'll show you exactly how. You can use a whisk, you can add more water as required. And this should be good enough for what we need. So next shot will show you how to mix this in and fry it up. So what you'll do is you take each prawn and you dip it in the paste, coat it thoroughly in the paste, and then once you have the oil that's hot in the frying pan, you put it directly inside, and do the same for the others. Be careful to not get too close to the pan. As you can see, that oil is splattering. You can lower the heat if you need to. And you'll want to keep it frying for at least about 5 minutes. Once the prawn looks crispy brown, that's when you know it's ready. This is what the end result looks like, and you can eat this with sweet and sour sauce, or even soy sauce if you wish. This is just to show you how it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.